This is my actual car, and I just spent 2 years turning it into a fully destructible BeamNG mod. Here's what happened when I crashed my own car, digitally. This is my first ever car, and this is my very first BeamNG mod. So I make this BeamNGTuner car mods. But there is a big problem. I'm not professional 3D modeler, so I need to get more creative. I spent 2 years learn everything about BeamNG modding. Learn how all of this word even mean. Get to know what is 3D modeling. And this is what I come up with. I mean, this is not so bad for a first attempt. Its drive even with incorrect wheel position. And surprisingly, it's deformed. With all minimum knowledge I learn, I do all of this by myself. And this is it. My Corolla can be driven virtually. I'm actually impressed with myself. Doors can be open. Engine bay is existed. Nice detail, I supposed. This interior need a lot of 3D modeling, because there are none of this 3D model available anywhere, and I get creative to make use BeamNG asset that I can use. So all of basic BeamNG car functions implemented on this mod. Look at that. Mirrors it work so well, doesn't it? Feels like I'm driving on my real-life car. With no real-life responsibility, obviously. Now I can driving recklessly, but safely in the same time. No worries, bro. I'm safe here. How about climb a ditch? I will never do that in real life, dude. Opsy. This is the beauty of having your car as BeamNG car mod. You can enjoy your realistic car crash without breaking your actual car. I make this mod to tribute my first car that I have sold. Now I can still driving my first car anytime on BeamNG.drive. Try this BeamNGTuner Corolla AE92 mod. Link below. I will show you the tuning potential of BeamNGTuner mods on next video. If you make it this far, subscribe